Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Job Panda and I am Harish Paladia. Today's job update is from the Ministry of Power and the company name is REC Power Distribution. Okay, it's a Navratan and the basic requirements for this advertisement number, that is REC PDCL/HR/1/2020. The basic, it is for the electrical engineers and it requires a minimum experience, and also it is a fixed term basis. Okay, fixed term basis means that it is a contractual job. Okay, it's a ministry, comes under the Ministry of Power, and it's a Navratan CPSE, Rural Electrification Corporation Limited it is actually. Now the job specification is like this. The name of the post is Assistant Engineer Technical. Total number of posts are 8 posts and the division is like this: unreserved 05, OBC 02 or SC 01. Okay, qualification you require is electrical engineering, BE, BTech in electrical engineering with preferably, actually it is preferably. Okay, so you need not to worry about the percentage, and the post qualification experience required is 3 years and CTC is 54,000. The maximum age limit is 35 years. This is the description, job description, in which you will be having the experience. Okay, experience in execution and implementation of power distribution up to 66 kV voltage level, and these are the some basic requirements like good understanding of SLDs. Okay, like this electrical drawings. These are few things which you can go off your own. And now the next important thing is there is no written test in this. It is directly personal interview, and another important thing is that personal interview will be conducted at Noida, Gautam Budh Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, but due to the current situation they can call you for interview directly on Skype or a Zoom call. Okay, and they have also mentioned that they may adopt a higher criteria if number of applicants increases. Okay, but most probably it will be a direct personal interview, and that too on Skype or a Zoom call. And the post is for a maximum period of 3 years, further extended by 1 year and 6 months. Okay, so maximum it can goes up to 4 years and 6 months. The cutoff date, that is the maximum date is 35. Cutoff date for age, that is the maximum age limit is 35, and the experience is 30 April 2020. Okay, this is the cutoff date for age calculation as well as for the experience calculation. Now one important thing is that teaching experience, internship like these experience will not be counted by the company while calculating your total experience. And if you called personally, if the personal interviews conducted at the designated locations, then they will provide you, reimburse you to and fro actual fare limited to the second AC train fare. Okay, from starting station or mailing address. They will provide you the reimbursement of your journey if they conduct the interview at the location they have mentioned, like the Gautam Budh Nagar, etc, etc. Okay, now the document required at the time of interview are like this: Aadhaar card, class 10, then if you are belongs to any category, then SC, ST, OBC certificate, mark sheet of all semester, degree certificate. Okay, these are the few documents which will be required while interview. Now document in support of work experience. Work to show your work experience, you must have joining letter. Either you should have joining letter or salary certificate with ITR or form 16A. Okay, or experience or service certificate issued by a company. Now these are some important things, and the official website of REC PDCL is www.recpdcl.in, and the starting date to apply for this post is 13 May 2020 and the last date is 27 May 2020. Okay, these are the few important dates which you should consider. And beside this there is no need to send the hard copies. This is clearly mentioned here, and in case of any query you can contact on these email IDs they have provided here. And the important date is that I have already told you that the online submission of application will start on 13 May 2020 and it will end on 27 May 2020. Okay, so these are the few important things for the electrical engineers and on the fixed term basis, and it is basically for the experienced professionals. So thank you, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.